welcome back to our next video. Today we are going to be drawing a unicorn candy corn. I don't know if that makes any sense, but we're drawing it. So first I'm going to draw two little lines not too far apart from each other. Then I'm going to curve all the way up from them. And I'm not going to do a pointy tip because we don't want to get poked by a pointy candy corn. I'm gonna draw the bottom line to curve up and connect. Then we're gonna draw the different flavors on the candy corn. The yellow, the orange, and the white. Your drawings don't have to be perfect. Your drawings can look like whatever you want them to be. Next, we're gonna draw the little face. So I'm gonna draw a laughing face. You can draw whatever face you would like. Then I'm gonna add some eyelashes. Yours can be a boy or a girl. And then I'm gonna draw the little ears. You do whatever you want. My ears kind of look like bear ears, but it's okay. Then we're gonna draw a tail. We're gonna draw like an S line. And then we're gonna up like that. And then we're gonna draw all the different colors on the tail. Now I'm only gonna draw 3 sections because I don't wanna be coloring all day. Then we're gonna draw pointy horn. Unicorn magic. We're gonna draw the little slits on the horn. What is it called? I don't know. Or the indents on the horn. Yeah, I think that's it. Then we're gonna draw 2 lines that kind of intersect. Then we're gonna draw a line down and up, and that's the back of the unicorn's mane. Then we're gonna add some more sections. And for the mane, I'm going to be doing pink, blue, and purple for the mane. All right, we finished our cute little unicorn candy corn. Now we're gonna fast forward this part and color it. You can use whatever colors you want. So let's get to it. that's it, everybody. We have our gorgeous unicorn here. Now you guys can add a background, color, whatever way you guys want. You guys can do anything. Please like and subscribe. Bye, creators.